Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI singer in just a few minutes. No music studio, no mic, no singing skills needed. Using the latest AI voice tools, you can turn any lyrics into a fully produced songs. Let's jump in. First, you'll need an AI voice generator for singing. The most popular ones right now are Udio. It's great for full songs. Suno AI is perfect for vocals and instruments. And Voicify or Kids AI, it's best for cloning real voices. So I'll use Suno AI in here in this tutorial since it's beginner friendly and gives instant results. You can also use ChatGPT to generate your lyrics. So let's create some lyrics in here. You can write them yourself or ask ChatGPT to do it. But for me, I'm going to just use ChatGPT, and here I'm going to ask it to write emotional pop lyrics about chasing your dreams. Hit on enter. So once you have your lyrics, you can copy and paste them into the AI tool. So now I'm going to copy it, and let's go to the Zuno AI. Let's try. Okay, and now just tap on create. Okay, so once you're ready, here as you guys can see, you need to sign up for free to listen. You can just sign up first and then listen to the songs and download it. So after that, you can select your AI singer voice, whether it's male, female, or custom clone. Some tools let you adjust pitch, tone, and language, and you can just generate your songs after that. So the AI will compose the melody, sing the lyrics, and add breaking instrument automatically. In a few seconds, your AI singer is ready. But if you want to tweak it, you can use the refine or remix options. You can change the genre, like turning your pop song into R&B or lo-fi. And when you're happy with the result, you can click on download, and it's yours to upload anywhere. And if you want to make it visual, you can use Sora 2 or Pika Labs to generate a music video. Just describe your scene and you'll get your own AI music video in minutes. And that's it. You've just made your own AI singer in minutes. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.